Welcome to Njenje Media TV. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. It is indeed a breaking news that the former Imo State Governor, Rochas Okorocha, has been arrested by the EFCC. Today, being April 13th, 2021. If you recall, on February 21st, Mr. Okorocha was arrested by the police for unsealing a hotel owned by his wife, shut down by the Imo State government. But that's not what we are talking about today. Njenje Media TV can authoritatively confirm that the former governor of Southeast State of Imo, Rochas Okorocha, has been arrested. And we can authoritatively confirm this here at Njenje Media Studios. Mr. Okorocha was arrested by operatives of Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, at about 4 p.m. today, being Tuesday, at his Unity House private office in Abuja. Sources familiar with the matter told Njenje Media today. The former governor was arrested after a 5-hour standoff with EFCC operatives who trailed him to that location. Other sources also told Njenje Media that the anti-graft agency had repeatedly invited the former governor to its Abuja head office in connection with multiple corruption allegations against him. But it appears that Okorocha never heeded to any of those invitations. Mr. Okorocha, who is now a senator, reportedly declined to honor the invitations, a development that infuriated detectives who found out to get him. The politician is currently being interrogated at the EFCC headquarters, and it is to us here at Njenje Media if he would be allowed to go home today. Details of the allegation against the senator are sketchy as of the press time, but our sources also said that they are related to suspected monumental graft, that is, thieving, stealing, and looting during his 8 years reign as governor of Imo State. Mr. Okorocha's spokesperson, Mr. Ongumedo, could not be reached by Njenje Media when we tried contacting him. Eventually, when contacted, EFCC spokesperson Wilson Uwajarin confirmed that the former governor is in the agency's custody. Njenje Media cannot confirm, again, why the arrests. Some, not confirmed, are saying it could be as a result of his issues with the current governor of Imo State in the person of Hope Uzodimma. Recall that sometime last week, when the Imo State prison was broken into and the governor granted an interview stating that he is suspecting high-powered politicians from his state, somehow pointing his fingers towards Rochas Okorocha. Again, it is a developing story that we are urging you to stay with us on this. Here at Njenje Media, we will keep digging. The more we find something that is authentic, we will bring it to the fore. Bear in mind, Njenje Media only deals with authentic and not fake news. Once more, I am Mike Udenta.